riders who grew up exploring dirt trails, winding forest paths, and rugged mountain tracks, there's a name that never fades from memory: the Honda XR200. And now, in 2026, Honda brings this beloved machine back lighter, stronger, and more reliable than ever. Welcome to Zioto Advisor, where we explore the machines that define real riding today. We take a deep dive into the return of a lightweight legend, the 2026 Honda XR200. The XR200 has always been known for simplicity, durability, maintenance, high fun factor, beginner-friendly handling for years. The XR200 was the perfect trail bike for new riders and a trusted companion for experienced off-dash or OADERS. In 2026, Honda keeps the spirit alive while giving the XR200 the modern updates it deserves. At the core of the 2026 XR200 is a refined 200cc air-cooled single-cylinder engine, built for torque, simplicity, and reliability. Key performance traits include strong low-end, pull for climbing, hill smooth, mid-range for trail cruising, geesy cold starts with new fuel injection, low maintenance thanks to simple layout. This isn't a bike built for speed, it's a bike built to take you anywhere without complaint. One of the biggest upgrades for 2026 is the introduction of fuel injection. Honda has tuned the system for better fuel efficiency, more throttle response, cycling emissions, more stable performance in altitude changes, whether you're riding near sea level or climbing into the mountains. The XR200 now delivers consistent, dependable power. Honda keeps the XR200 incredibly light, making it perfect for new riders, trail beginners, out riders stepping up in size, and who prefers agility over brute power. Revised frame improves strength, reduces vibration, increases stability on uneven terrain. This bike remains one of the easiest off-road motorcycles to handle, and that's exactly why it's loved across generations. The 2026 XR200 receives updated suspension components tailored for trail riding: front, longer travel, telescopic fork, improved rebound control, rear, ProLink, monoshock adjustable preload for rider weight. This setup is ideal for forest trails, rocky paths, river crossings, camping, adventures, rural roads, not designed for motocross. Jumps designed for real off-road exploring. Honda blends classic XR styling with subtle 2026 updates: signature red and white color, sleeker body panels, brighter LED headlight, lightweight fenders, modern graphic accents. X200 still looks like a true Honda dirt bike, timeless, clean, and built for rugged terrain. Honda equips the XR200 with improved stopping performance: front disc brake, rear disc or drum depending on market, lightweight calipers, turbo rotors designed for off-road use. There's no ABS on most versions. Honda keeps the bike simple and affordable for trail riders. Riders will feel at home instantly thanks to the XR200's natural riding posture: upright seat position, aero seat for easier maneuvering, low weight for quick direction change, grippy handlebars for rough terrain, improved seat cushioning for longer rides, whether you're trail riding for an hour or a full day. The XR200 keeps fatigue low. Honda keeps technology minimal to maintain reliability: digital display with trip metered lighting, fuel injection, electronic optional charging port, no traction control. No complex modes. Just pure, simple off-road freedom. The XR200 has always been extremely fuel efficient, and the 2026 model continues that tradition: excellent mileage from fuel injections, small tank, big range, affordable maintenance costs. This makes the X200 perfect for daily rural riding, farm use, or extended trail adventures. This motorcycle is ideal for new riders learning off-road skills, trail explorers, farmers, and rural riders, low budget riders wanting reliability, upgrading from smaller bikes, onion who wants a simple, durable machine. It's not built for racing. It's built for adventure. The 2026 Honda XR200 isn't about hype or high horsepower. It's about exploring nature, building confidence, and enjoying off-road riding without breaking the bank. And here at Zioto Advisor, we celebrate machines like this: motorcycles that put durability, simplicity, and pure riding joy above everything else. The XR200 is back, stronger, smoother, and ready for the next generation of trail riders.